less. Complete it, and you will have fame, glory, and power behind your recognition. If we all do that. All right. When I say go, the time will stop, and once again, we'll have 6 minutes to finish this off. All right?
Let's go.
All right, are you ready? Set. Go. All right. Come on, guys. Let's cheer them up. Let's give them a round. Let's show some support for this guy. All right, he's in the wing one right now. And a little shaky. That's okay. I'm seeing nerves of steel. All right, killed off number one there. All right, making some pretty decent time right now.
That does smell strong.
All right.
Are you sweating?
How you feeling right now? You feeling okay?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good? I'd like to hear that. All right. All right, digging into number 3. 1 minute down, 5 minutes to go. You got some good time going on right now. Keep up that pace, so knock it out easily.
That's a big wing.
So did we make a hot enough for it?
No, man, but you don't make it too big.
Keep chewing.
Keep chewing.
Time's running down. Keep chewing.
I got this, man. Got this.
All right, 4 wings down and 2 minutes down. So 8 more wings, 4 more minutes. You're making great time on this one, buddy. Come on. You can pull this off.
So chewy.
Go, Lee.
I think I'm back away.
You can do it. You're do it. Why are you 2 minutes in?
Don't slow it down. Don't slow it down.
It's hot and it's spicy, man.
What was that? They're hot and spicy? Well, I hope so. We don't want to make them too weak for you now, buddy. Come on.
Don't slow down.
Now the hand is still being shaky as all. Oh, you still got some chicken on there. You got to glue that all on, buddy. Come on. There we go. Dig right in. All right, 3 minutes down. We're at the halfway point.
You're shaking.
You can
I was saying, you're shaking like crazy now, buddy. Come on. You can do this. Pain is temporary, glory is forever. Remember that. Come on. Woo. I know we got left here. Making great time. Great time.
Yeah, 3.5 minutes. She's going.
You can do it.
Come on, you can get this taken care of. Power through it.
Chew for the time to swallow it.
All right.
Fuck.
2 minutes left, and he's got 3.5 wings left to go, folks. Come on, let's cheer him on. Let's give him some support. Come on, let's do this, buddy. Got a bunch of people cheering you on. Let's see you do it. Come on.
Following it down, man. Chew.
All right, good strategy. Go for the smaller pieces first.
Go!
Come on, you can do it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
A minute and a half left.
All that was for nothing.
Don't take too long chewing, man.
But 3 more.
Don't take too long chewing. Don't take too long chewing.
Swallow.
Apologize for my play-by-play before. I was 1 wing short. You had actually four and a half to finish. You're down to 3. You're doing a great job so far. You got 1 minute to go, folks. 1 minute.
Keep going, keep going.
Come on, give us some support. He needs your help more than ever right now.
Just swallow.
Come on. I know it's hot, but hey, man, power through it. Power through it. Just scarf him down. Just wolf him down. Inhale if you have to.
It's pushing that.
I know. 30 seconds. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, you can do it. Excellent. 30 seconds left, folks. 30
Hurry,
seconds.
hurry, hurry.
Chew.
Swallow. Just swallow. Just swallow.
Come on.
Hurry. Just keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Last one, last
There
one,
you go,
last
there
one.
you go.
Come
All
on.
right, we're good. We got
15 seconds. Last
15
one, last one.
seconds. He's got 1 left. Come on.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, go.
10,
Go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, so close.
Damn.
So close.
Man, that was
My
crazy.
gosh. You know what? That is probably the closest I've ever seen